Okay, we're here at the breakfast place. They got, see, like detox water. I think that's hot. Oh, that's cold water. Passion fruit juice and guava juice. Then we got some jelly, soy milk, this sweet cake, sweet dumpling. So it's like sugar and condensed milk and cream or milk. Some coffee. Right. Something wrapped in here that I'm not sure. Different kinds of fruits. Guava, watermelon, pineapple. Got these beans and that. Tuna salad. Oh, this is sauteed mixed vegetable. They have yogurt here. They got some fried dumplings. So it's like a fried noodle. Chicken salad. Fried pumpkin. Deep fried pumpkin. Too many people are at the food table, so I'm gonna show you the view right now. It's pretty nice for eating. Wow. Look at this. The windows could use a little cleaning, but it's been raining, so you can see here. It's actually raining right now. Look, on the other one, they have an outside. I think that's the other building. And that's the inside. Oh, actually, no, that's the door for here. So if it wasn't raining, people could eat outside. Then they have a little cooking station there for like fried eggs and stuff. So if you want to eat with the sound of the rain or the outdoors, you have this window here. You can see outside. Pretty nice. Right, we got some sticky rice here. Pork grind rolls, leaves, grills. What is that? There's some hams. There's some eggs. Then we got some fried rice. Okay, this is Cantonese fried rice. We got vegetables for stuff. I'm assuming. Okay, this is probably like a fish sauce. You got these cakes. So this is like rice thing, and then you eat it with the fish sauce here. Pretty sure this plain. Yep, white rice. Then we got steamed rolls. This is also like rice stuff with some meat in it. Dishes of butter, peanut butter. I don't know what kind of sauce that is. Probably some jam. Oh yeah, with those. Bread with a toaster. And you got this dried shredded meat. Rice porridge. Salted eggs. Pork soup. Sauteed ginger, chicken with ginger. Oh, lots of stuff. Got the some Vietnamese vegetable. It looks like Vietnamese spinach, but maybe not. And we got that bitter melon soup. Oh, I'm not gonna eat that. Steamed dumpling, bacons, and boiled eggs, and some soups that we can order. The little dishes and stuff are under here. Alright, I'm sure I'm going to regret this one. This is a bitter melon with some meat stuffed in it. Oh, bitter as usual. Let's try this meat. Pretty good, actually, the meat. This one is actually steamed fish. The one that I thought was vegetables, because the vegetables were all on top. Let me see how the vegetables are. Ooh. I wouldn't eat those green vegetables. No. Well, it's a strong flavor. Let's try this. It's like a tree fungus here. This has a very strong flavor. I don't really like it. Steamed fish. Tastes like what you would expect steamed fish to taste like. And there's like ginger on there. Got this one. This is the ginger chicken. Let's try this. Good. I like this. I like the ginger chicken dishes that are, and duck and stuff that's cooked like this. We got some bacon or ham. The fat and everything is like very soft, like it's been cooked a long time. This is the pork soup. What in the world? Why does it taste like a chocolate milk to me? What's wrong with my taste buds? That's so weird. Okay, let's try this bun bao. Okay, this is a pork bao. Pretty good. I'll finish this one. All right, here's the other plate. We got this roll thing. Actually, let's eat this first. This is like a tuna salad. Little piece of tuna. It's like a canned tuna. Reminds me of eating like a tuna sandwich. I like it. This is a fried pumpkin. I don't know if that's actually a pumpkin. It's those little green squash things. I like it, but it was cold by the time I ate it, so it'd be better if you ate it warm. Make sure to eat it early. This is the mixed vegetables. It has like a mushroom, string beans or green beans, and a carrot. Pretty good. Lightly seasoned. Oh, give me a second, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, so here we go. We got this fried noodle with some veggies. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. I wouldn't get that one. Pretty plain. Veggies taste like veggies. Alright, let's try this chicken salad. Alright. Oops, I picked the wrong piece. This one has like cartilage and bone. Well, let's give it a try anyways. Alright. Has a chili in it. Has these herbs. Little piece of chicken. Pretty good actually. I like that one. We've made that chicken salad at home. It's pretty good. I'm like, let's see what this is all about. This has a strong flavor from that leaf, but it's pretty good. Alright, next plate. Alright, here's the next plate. The other leaf roll thing has like pretty strong like that herb flavor from the leaf. So depending on your taste, you may or may not like it. Anyways, let's try these different pieces of Vietnamese ham. That's the one I'm used to. I've never seen a pink one before. Let's see. It's closer to regular ham, but interesting. Oh wait, no, I lied. It has like very slight vinegary taste. Kind of a little bit sweet. It's nice. Let's try this. Alright, so here we have an egg. The outside's tough and chewy. Flavor's decent, but it depends what you like. Me, I don't prefer that type of egg. Alright, we got this fried rice. I don't know if it's because all the other stuff I ate, but that fried rice doesn't have any flavor. I think I'm supposed to eat this with something else, but I didn't see the stuff there to mix it with. Usually the sugar, sesame seeds and stuff, but let's give it a try. Yeah, it's just plain sticky rice. Alright. Now for these. These tend to be my favorite with that sauce. Give it a try. There's ham on it. I've never seen that before. Not this kind of ham, but good stuff. I don't know why I'm using chopsticks. It's harder for me to grab this kind of noodly stuff. Alright, this should be pretty similar. I think the orange stuff was like dried shrimp or something, but okay, I prefer the previous one over that. Now, this plate. Actually, I thought about it. These are like desserts. Except maybe this banana leaf thing. I don't know what's in here. They didn't have a label yet. Okay, I'll probably eat this and then eat the soup. Let's see. Set this aside. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. Let's open this thing up. Oh, it's a sticky rice thing. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands to open this. You see that? Okay, so here's the sticky whatever thing this is. It looks like a rice flour stuff with some meat, shrimp. I probably should add the fish sauce to it. Oops, I messed up. Now it's stuck to it again. Let me get this on the fork or chopsticks. Okay, this definitely looks like one I would eat with the fish sauce, but let me try it without it. Pretty good. Some sauce in there, so it's already somewhat salty. Pretty good. The shrimp is like dried shrimp or something, so it's more chewy. But yeah. Alright, let's try the soup. I don't really like the mint leaves and stuff, so I'll set those out for now. Usually I don't like those because it changes the flavor of the soup so much. So let's try the soup now. They actually didn't pour much broth in here. I'll try the egg. This looks like it might be a salted egg. Actually, no, it's not. It's just very powdery yolk. Eh. Alright, let's try the soup. It looks like it should be way more flavorful than that. That's so weird. Okay, let's try the chicken. Okay. This doesn't have much flavor. I'm gonna have to say pass on this. It's not a bad flavor, but there's not much. Alright, desserts after this. I'll probably finish this just because I don't like to waste food too much. Almost forgot the yogurt. They have these tiny spoons and soy milk, passion juice, and guava juice. Okay, the soy milk's sweetened already. It's really sweet, pretty good. It's actually very good. Passion fruit juice. Also very nice. So far all the juices are good. After drinking these two, that's not sweet at all. So probably drink that one first if you're trying everything. Fried bread roll. Maybe when these are fresh, it's more crispy. This wasn't crispy at all, but it's good flavor. Let's try this one. Oh, I thought there was stuff in here. Oh, it fell out. Whoops. Okay, so this has I think yellow, green bean or mung bean paste. Also very good. This I can't tell because everything is... Usually this is pretty sweet, but I can't tell because I'm eating so many other things. But it's pretty good. Let's try this cake. Yeah, pretty good too. So far all the desserts are good. Looks like there's coconut and maybe carrot in there. Your usual Vietnamese gelatin dessert. It's not the like bouncy jello-y kind from like the US. It's the agar jelly. And we got this bun. Okay. This just tastes like plain bread, plain bao. And the yogurt. This is the good Vietnamese yogurt. It's sweet. A little bit tart. It's really good. And that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Okay, we're giving the soup another try because for some reason the broth that my dad had in his bowl was good. So let's try. He came for the V. What? Okay. I mean, maybe the soup boiled longer. Okay. The soup by itself is pretty good. Maybe the noodles need to just soak there. But yeah, it's pretty good actually. Alright, that's it for now. See you guys later. Alright, so here's the Vietnamese coffee. It's just basically black coffee with condensed milk, and I cooled it down with ice. Oh, that's good, but pretty strong.